everyone, in my previous video we already discussed about how we can get whether a substance is cold or hot by touching it. By touching it we can know whether a substance is hot or a substance is cold. So how all these things happens due to heat. All substances having heat, and that heat tells us whether a substance is hot or a substance is cold. Now next thing, suppose a substance is hot or a substance is cold, then how we can know that how much cold it is or how much hot it is. So what is the way to measure the hotness or coldness of an object? So now we are going to study about temperature, and temperature is the degree of hotness or coldness of an object on some chosen scale. So what is temperature? It tells us about the hotness or coldness of an object. It tells us that how much hot a substance is or how much cold a substance is. This is the degree of hotness or coldness of a substance. That means it tells how much heat a substance is having. It's measure. It is not heat, but it measures heat. It tells in degree how much temperature, how much hot a substance is or cold a substance is. In other words, it can be defined as the quantity by which we can compare the hotness or coldness of a body. So it is what? It tells us it is quantity by which we can compare whether a substance is hot or cold. That means this substance is cold or hot. That is, we can know through temperature. Temperature tells us whether a substance hot or cold, and its unit is Kelvin. It is measured in Kelvin. But Kelvin is normally used for scientific work. For general work, normal work, temperature is measured through different scale. Those are Celsius scale and Fahrenheit scale. So Celsius scale and Fahrenheit scales are scales that measure temperature. How much temperature a substance is having. So heat is actually, when we heat a substance, then its particles start moving due to increasing the kinetic energy of that particular object, of that particular substance. And temperature is a measure of the average kinetic energy of a substance. It tells us about the kinetic energy, how much kinetic energy in a substance is having. And if we talk about heat, then it flows from higher temperature towards lower temperature. And heat is a measure of and temperature is a measure or degree of heat, how much heat a substance is having. Now let us talk again about different scales through which we can measure temperature. These are Celsius scale and Fahrenheit scale, that is most commonly using scale, that scales are used in a common way. So there are two things in all of these scale, Celsius and Fahrenheit scale. There is a lower fixed point and there is a upper fixed point. Lower fixed point tells us the minimum measurement of a temperature, that is 0 degree in case of Celsius scale, and Fahrenheit scale lower fixed point is 32 degree Fahrenheit. So these are scale is having different reading for lower fixed point, but this 0 degree in Celsius is actually melting point of ice or freezing point of water, and this 32 degree is also melting point of ice equal to, and this 32 degrees equal to melting point of ice or freezing point of water. Now upper fixed point. Upper fixed point is the maximum fixed point that is a Celsius scale is having and Fahrenheit scale is having. So upper fixed point of Celsius scale is 100 degree centigrade and Fahrenheit scale is 212 degree Fahrenheit. So this is how the commonly using scale these are, and Kelvin scale usually it is utilized for laboratory, basically for different kind of scientific work, not in common use. In my next video, we will discuss about conversion of Fahrenheit scale and Celsius scale. Now look at the screen.